dplyr is a dynamic R package known for its prowess in data manipulation and transformation. Part of the tidyverse, it simplifies common data tasks, making user intentions clearer. Let's dive into its key functions in 80 seconds. Filter extracts rows meeting specific conditions, aiding in focused data extraction. Arrange sorts rows based on variables, enhancing data organization for visualization. Select cherry-picks columns, allowing users to zero in on relevant variables. Mutate creates or modifies variables, a powerful tool for deriving insights. Summarize aggregates data, providing quick snapshots of key statistics. Group_by enables grouping data, crucial for groupwise analysis and calculations. Join combines datasets based on common columns, creating a comprehensive view. Distinct extracts unique rows, ideal for identifying and analyzing unique values. Rename enhances clarity by renaming variables, aiding data interpretation. Why dplyr? Consistency. A consistent syntax for readability and understanding. Piping %%. Facilitates a smooth and sequential workflow, enhancing code readability. Verbosity. Functions designed as verbs make code read like sentences, ensuring clarity. Tidy data principles. Adheres to tidy data principles, promoting standardized datasets. Efficiency. Optimized operations for performance, especially with large datasets. Integration with tidyverse. Seamlessly integrates with other tidyverse packages, ensuring a cohesive workflow. In action. Load and explore data. Load dplyr, iris dataset, display initial rows, and summary statistics. Filter rows. Filter rows where sepal, length is 5, displaying the first 10 rows. Create a new variable. Double sepal, length to create new var, showing the first 10 rows. Select columns. Choose sepal, length and species columns, displaying the first 10 rows. Arrange rows. Arrange rows based on sepal, length, displaying the first 10 rows. Summarize data. Summarize mean of sepal, length, showing results for the first 10 rows. Group data. Group by species, calculate mean sepal, length, display first 10 rows. Extract distinct values. Extract distinct species values. Count occurrences. Count occurrences of each unique species. Rename column. Rename sepal, length to new name, display the first 10 rows.